Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an extra long ombre set, and of course I am using my extra long tips from Acrylics UK. They're going to be available this weekend, so be ready to purchase them, guys. I know a lot of people have been waiting for these. This weekend, be ready. Okay, first I'm just applying a very thin base of that light blue color that I've mixed for my client. I'm going to apply that just 3/4 up the nail, and I'm going to bring it all the way down that nail. And make sure none of the parts of the nail are transparent. Make sure that you cover it fully with that blue, but do a very nice thin layer. Remember to clean up your sides, guys, so that we can get a sharp shape. So this is what it looks like with all the blue, just the blue first, of course. A very thin layer, making sure it's not see-through at all, fully covered. So now I'm going in with my light pink color, and I'm placing that just where the blue starts, and I'm going to blend it downwards. And as you can see, I'm patting that color into the cuticle area so I can get a very tight cuticle area, and there will be no lifting at all. When it comes to applying acrylic at the cuticle area, this is very important. This is what's going to make sure your nails do not lift, also including applying primer and dehydrator, which I did off camera. So guys, I will show you what her nails look like maybe 3 or 4 weeks later after this video, just to prove to you guys that application is important, very important. So once again, I'm applying it just where the blue starts, and I'm blending downwards to get that very nice blend. Then I'm going to put it at the cuticle area, pat into that cuticle area, make it very tight. If you would like more in-depth videos of me explaining how to do the cuticle area, very close-up videos, more detailed tutorials, please do not hesitate to DM at cs_nails to join my tips and tricks page, which is only £25 one-time fee. So depending on how much you like, depending on how you want the ombre to blend, you can add as much pink as you want to the top of the nail, but just make sure when you add more pink, it's a very thin layer so that you don't start to get a hump at the top of your nail. So now guys, I'm onto capping the nails with clear acrylic, and the reason I do this is because you see how we put a very thin base of that blue and then we put the pink color on top. We want to now even out the two colors, so then I apply just clear acrylic in between those two colors so that we have a very even nail. Also, when we drill the nail, because it's ombre, if the clear was not there, we would be drilling away that nice blend that we have created. So now I am onto drilling my nails, and I'm using it at like a medium to high speed, and the drill bit I am using is a super fine drill bit. And as you can see excuse me, sorry, as you can see, I started at the very bottom of that nail, working my way upwards, and I do that on all the nails, bottom of the nail going upwards, because I want to make sure that there's no lumps, no bumps, and that the nail is completely even. And because I already know that the ends of the nails are thinner because it's ombre, that's why I work from the bottom going up. And now you can see I'm going around that cuticle area just to seal the cuticle area and make sure that when it comes to lifting, I get zero lifting, zero nails snapping, zero nails popping off. And then I look at my nail from the side to make sure that there's no bumps and no lumps. So I always look at the nails from the side. So make sure to go around that cuticle area quite slowly so that you don't cut anyone. Now I'm on to buffing and filing my nails. I am using a purple and black buffer, and then I'm going to use an 80/80 grit nail file. It may look like I'm being very harsh on her fingers, but I promise you, I am only touching the nail. I am not touching her skin, and I'm sure she is very comfortable because I am making sure I use my hand to hold her finger. And when it comes to filing, this is the most important bit for me, to just get the top of those nails super sharp. Make sure to angle your nail file very straight and then just go over the top of those nails. And this is what they look like, guys, after filing and shaping. Look how perfect they are. So make sure to dust off all that dust before applying any top coat, so that you don't get no bubbles in your nail. Now with my gel top coat, I'm gonna put some Swarovski pixies just on the ends of her nails. And with the top coat, I'm gonna make as straight as possible line as I can. Then I'm gonna just pour the Swarovski pixies over that line that I've created. So this is what they look like just with the Swarovski pixies on them. I'm now going to put a matte top coat onto the nails and then place them back into my UV lamp. So this is the finished product of the nails, guys. I hope you like this video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I'm also going to include a picture of them 3 to 4 weeks later, so you can see that long nails don't always snap, long nails don't always pop off. As long as you have a very good application, you will be alright. Also, make sure to follow Acrylics UK because my nail tips will be available to purchase this weekend. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.